Ndewo Jugo.
Dewe, Dr. Osimiri.
How are you doing today?
I'm very well, very excited.
It is indeed an exciting day, isn't it? The launching of Ogwafa Ukebulani, that's African calendar. Just tell me how you're feeling. Tell me your thoughts.
Well, this is a momentous occasion and a historic occasion. This is the launch of an ancient yet revolutionary calendar that is based on the moon cycle, lunar calendar, and also notes the cyclicality of the seasons and festivals as related to the moon and traditional agrarian practices. It is liberating. It really liberates the modern mind with the concept of natural time rather than the Gregorian calendar, which is uneven and out of sync with natural time. So in that respect, it is also an agent of consciousness expansion. And it really is a gift from the ancients for us to remember our roots and reminding us that our roots are based in the natural cycles of life. And this particular version includes portraits and write-ups of contemporary as well as ancient historical figures who were pivotal in African and African American history. And the African mask version is also available, and it includes masks from all over West Africa. So that is, and they are beautifully shot as well. So that is very exciting. I encourage everyone to buy one, to have one. It is unique. It is, in living memory, the first launched African agrarian lunar calendar. Therefore, it's worth having just for that reason alone, but also to mark special occasions. It's a gift as well, not only to yourselves, but to others. There's Kwanzaa gifts, there's Black History Month in February each year, and any African-based occasions. So expand your cultural awareness and invest in a very important facet of world history in the making, in fact. This is a new time. This is a new time. So let's mark it with this beautiful calendar. Thank you.